So welcome to the second episode of making a airplane shooter game. So today we will add some laser. So first of all I will draw a laser sprite which will be a black line. You can also modify it and change the color of this to red. Now we have to drag it here, and when green flag clicked, forever it will hide. When green flag clicked, forever it will first of all it will hide, and then it will point direction. It will point towards, and here is a block known as direction of sprite 1. So put this into this point towards. So the airplane's direction will be its direction, the laser's direction. Now when space key pressed, or you can also do when green flag clicked, forever if key space pressed, first of all it will create clone of myself, and when I start as a clone we will need this point towards, and now point towards the direction of sprite, not direction of sprite 1. Yes, it will point to direction to sprite 1, direction of sprite 1. And now we have to also put set x to and set y to. Put here this and put here this, and make this y position and y position only. Y position, and now put it here. We do not need this block as our plane can only move up and down. So set y to y position of sprite 1. We will also put this set y to here also, as the clone can spawn away from the at a different location to the sprite 1. So y position of sprite 1. And here you can see. Now it will do what? It will change x by 10, and if it is touching edge, if it is we will put it in the forever loop, and now if touching edge, delete this clone. The clone will be deleted. And now if I test, wait a second. Yes, Now the bug is fixed, and now see this. We can shoot lasers, literally. So in the next episode, we will enhance this more, the design and the movement of the plane. So that's all for today. Bye.